Want to run a top-tier fleet? Then stop thinking like everyone else. Here are the real game-changing secrets the pros use, and it's time you knew them. Engine diagnostics. Most people stop at the check engine light. Pros? They go way deeper. They dig into SPNs and FMIs, the hidden codes that expose early signs of failure no one else is catching. It's not about waiting for a problem. It's about analyzing fuel system performance, oil temperature, exhaust pressure early, and turning that data into action. The hidden cost of idle time fuel loss is obvious. But what about the rest? Idle time eats away at more than your budget. It wears down engines, chokes performance, and spikes emissions. That's why pros don't just track idle time, they dissect it. Then they adjust routes, shift patterns, and driver behavior to cut the waste. Fuel optimization beyond the basics. Think tracking fuel usage is enough? Think again. The top fleets don't just watch the numbers, they shape them. They use advanced analytics to optimize driving patterns, eliminate idle time, and define geo-fenced fuel-efficient zones. Every throttle press, every idle pause, it's all measured. Dynamic maintenance. Dynamic maintenance isn't a date on the calendar anymore. Not for the pros. They use real-time sensor data, brake pad thickness, tire wear, and more to service equipment exactly when it's needed. Fleet synchronicity. This is where elite fleets separate from the rest. Because running a fleet, that's not enough anymore. You have to sync it. Every vehicle, every tool, every crew member, working in harmony, driven by real-time data. So how do you unlock these expert-level strategies? With Clue. Clue isn't just another fleet management tool. It's the only platform that unifies off-road, on-road, tools, and crew into one AI-powered ecosystem. Track every asset regardless of make, model, or age. No hardware lock-in. Integrate seamlessly with over 70 telematics and GPS providers, Samsara, Geotab, Cat Vision Link, and more. Get minute-by-minute productivity insights, from fuel usage to idle time, powered by AI-generated alerts. Sync effortlessly with ERP systems like Viewpoint Vista, Oracle JD Edwards, and HCSS Equipment 360. With Clue, you don't just manage your fleet, you command it. So if you're ready to stop thinking like everyone else and start running like the pros, book a demo today.